Hey everybody, so today I got the Dash popcorn maker to review, and I've been using this one now for a couple months, or my kids have actually. They love their popcorn, so this gets used at least once a week. Now I did review one of the smaller ones before. This one's definitely quite a bit bigger. But anyway, let me go ahead and show it to you a little more close up, and hopefully I don't get too much of the glare here. So for the heating element itself, this is what's going to pop it. This is going to turn. It's going to stir it. You'll add a little bit of butter, the popcorn, whatever, and it's going to get hot and then pop it. The bowl you can use for a couple different things. So the bowl you can actually use it to eat the popcorn out of, and you can use it to mix everything. So this lid here, you can use it to portion out your popcorn. So each portion will make a quart of popcorn. And the other thing that you can do is that you can take slabs of butter and you can put it right up here at top. It'll get hot enough where it'll melt the butter and it'll drip right onto the popcorn. And I do that with my girls. And then you got a large lid where you can close this up and then you can shake it and mix everything right here in the bowl. So it's one bowl, everything's done. Now right here in the front, there's a little switch to turn it on and off. And you will have to manually do it yourself. Once it starts slowing down, you'll have to turn it off yourself. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and fire it up now. Let's start getting warm up. You'll see that this will start spinning slowly. And then you can add your butter or whatever you want to use. Go ahead and get that added. Go ahead and pour that in. That little rod is going to stir it up, keep it stirred. All right, so we'll go ahead and put our cover on, and then we can put our little lid. And of course you can put your butter. If you put your butter on, go ahead and leave the lid off. I mean, you can put it on there if you like. It kind of hold in the heat a little bit, but you will get this dirty. If that doesn't bother you, just do that. But you put your lid on, and now we just wait a couple minutes. It'll get heated up. It won't take very long. And then it will slowly start popping, and then it'll go more and more rapid. And we're starting to steam up, so it should be any time now. Oh, we got our first pop. There's another one. There it goes. All right, so once it's slowed down enough, you want to go ahead and manually turn it off. If you are one of those that likes your popcorn a little bit more well done, I am one of those weirdos, you can definitely leave it going a little bit longer. We're going to make sure this lid here is on there pretty good because we don't want that falling off and then getting butter and stuff everywhere. The next thing you're going to do is just give this a flip. There we go. Now we got our bowl, and what you can do is you can either add some butter, or maybe you got some of this like flavoring stuff. You can add that if you like. You could also use like your seasonings. You could also sprinkle that around, and then pop on this lid and give it a good shake. And there you go, just like that, you got some fresh popcorn, and I just find this a lot more enjoyable with the family compared to throwing a bag in the microwave and just watching it from there. And to me, it's just a little bit more fresh and better tasting. Anyway, this is the Dash popcorn maker. I highly recommend this one. It works great. It will take just a little bit longer compared to throwing it in the microwave, but I think the end results are just worth it.